where we're headed today?
Union Station.
No problem. Would you like some